Hi, my loves. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 ways to make a guy miss you. You see, love. Mm? You see that thing called love. That thing called love is sweet like honey. It's sweet like sugar. It's sweet. But that's when you're with the right person, though, and that's on period. The first way to make a guy miss you is to something, deliberately leave something behind. Yeah, when you go over to his place and you're visiting and you're done, just deliberately leave something behind, something tangible. One time like that, I went to my ex's house, and when I was coming out, I unintentionally left my scarf. Before I got home, he texted me. I was like, babe, you left your scarf. I was like, oh, is that so? Okay, keep it. Next time when I come, I'll take it. He was like, it's mine now. He said he said since I left and he found it, he has been sniffing it, and he misses me so much. The perfume around it was like hovering and hovering, like, baby, come back. I'm like, So when you go over to your man's house, sister, deliberately leave something behind. It can be your bra if you have extra, it can be your panties, it can be your trousers, it can be your shirt, it can be anything, just something tangible. And when you are leaving, put some perfume on it. The second way to make a guy miss you is to give him some personal space. Like, nobody wants to be choked. I don't like being choked. Don't text me morning after morning. Don't text me afternoon after afternoon. Don't text me evening after evening. I get it. You are in love. We're in love. But please give him some personal space. He also has his own things he's doing. He has his own life he's doing. So give him some personal space. Don't be the choky girlfriend, I beg. Don't be the choky person. Allah making it chill. He also has his guys he wants to flaunt with. He has his guys he wants to like flex with. Don't be all every time, like, baby, why are you, baby, why are you, baby? Nah, give him some personal space. Okay. The third way to make a guy miss you is to take things slow. Especially when you guys just started, your thingy. Take things slow. A lot of you, once you're already like out, once a guy already asks you like to be his girlfriend, boom, you're asking him, when are you coming to see my parents, when I'm getting married, maybe I'm having baby fever, I'm doing this, I'm doing no. Take things slow. Take things at his own pace. All of us want to get married, want to have babies, but take it slow. Okay. The fourth way to make a guy miss you is to wear a unique perfume. Like, have some fragrance, sister. Have a unique perfume, something that anytime you pass or anytime you're around the corner, he already knows, oh, my baby is in the building. One time like that, when I was still growing up, I used to have a crush on this doctor neighbor of ours then. Um, Anytime I walk through past their side and I perceive his perfume, I already knew doctor was around. And that particular scent was back to back every year. Like, I don't even need to ask, is Doc around? I already know that Doc is around. To wear a unique perfume, something that will tantalize him, something that when you are around, or even when you come to his place and leave and he doesn't know, when he comes, because of your unique scent, he already knows you are there. Okay? The fifth way to make a guy miss you is make him wait before replying his text. Make him wait. I'm not saying overdo it. Just once in a while, make him wait. Like, hey baby, you read the message. After like a minute, 2 minutes, you reply. You get make him wait. He's going to be wondering, what's this one doing? Like, oh, why can't you reply? He might even call, baby, why haven't you replied? That works every time for me. Literally does. So wait, just make him wait a little bit before replying his text, but don't overdo it. Okay. The sixth way to make a guy miss you is to add some mystery to your experiences. Like, you know, add some some shimmery. You know, don't just overshare yourself with him. Don't, because you are going out with a guy does not mean He should know 100%. Don't get me wrong. There are some vital informations that are good for him to know, okay? Or not every. He should not say you finish. He should not say you finish. Like, keep some mystery to yourself. Like, some things. Then once in a while, you drop it out. Once in a while, you drop it out. I hope that makes sense. Like, make him add some mystery to your experiences. Okay. The seventh way to make a guy miss you is have adventures with him. Yeah, have adventures with him. You guys can travel. Most of you, when your boyfriend tells you, "Hey babe, I want to travel. Can you come along?" You'll be like, "No, I'm working. Which work? Which work?" Don't get me wrong. You're meant to work, but all work no play makes Jack it up, boy. Have adventures. Even if he's not traveling, maybe he wants to try out a new restaurant or he wants to try out some, just explore with him. Explore with him, have adventures, make memories. Okay? The eighth way to make a guy miss you is to show a bit, just show a little bit of interest in whatever it is that he likes doing. My man currently loves football. I don't think there's in 100% of men, 99% love football. Yeah, I love football, but not to the extent that my man loves it. But anytime um England finishes playing, he calls me, or anytime Chelsea finishes playing, I call him or he calls me. He's like, "Babe, did you see what they? Babe, did you see what? Baby?" Like, even when I don't know, I just keep mute and I listen to sometimes before the match finishes. I already like went through the highlights so that when he's talking about it, I know how to contribute. But that's me sharing my own little interest. My man also loves cooking. He sends me cooking videos. I'm always contributing. I send to him, like, show a little bit of interest in whatever it is that he's doing, even if that thing bores you to death. Even if it bores you to death, just a little bit of interest. And trust me, he will always, like, when something like that pops up, he will remember his baby. Oh, I have to call my baby. Oh, I have to show this to my baby. I have to come on. I say you don't want to fall in love. You say you don't want to fall in love. Before I continue, my name is Chinenweke and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching my YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and I love you so much. The ninth way to make a guy miss you, drum rolls, you should give yourself a makeover. Give yourself a makeover. You see, men like this, there are some men that will tell you, I think literally all the men will tell you, we don't like ladies in wigs, we don't like ladies, we like you natural. That's a lie, my sister. That's a lie. Once in a while, give yourself a proper makeover. If you know how to apply the makeup, put it on. Carry one expensive hair or make fine braids. If you don't know how to apply like me, go to a makeup artist. Let that makeup artist make you up. Decorate your face, beautiful decoration. Get a. It mustn't even be a fancy dress. A sexy dress. Wear a nice outfit. Wear a nice shoe. Wear nice hair, and then go over to his place to visit him. And then when you come, he probably will be wondering, maybe so you're looking so fly. What's the occasion? And then you tell him nothing. Tell him nothing. And he'll be like, "Oh, you don't know, I don't know you're this beautiful." I don't know if you get my point. Once in a while, give yourself a makeover. Make you see say you fine me. Even though he prefers the natural. Once in a while, give yourself a makeover. Take yourself to a spa and chill. You know be firewood. The last way to make a guy miss you is to leave him wanting more. Like, leave him wanting more. Like, when you don't show him like the too much, like, oh, you want more, come get it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.